In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer crypto from exchange to cold wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer any crypto asset that you have on your wallet to a cold wallet. So for this video, I chose to use Binance as an example. However, any service will work and the steps are generally going to be the same. Of course, visually it is going to be different, but you will still be able to follow along. So all that you have to do is access your wallet. If you are doing this on Binance as well, you tap wallets at the bottom right corner of the mobile app and you choose the withdrawal option. Like I said, this is going to differ for every single wallet, but all that you have to do is find the withdrawal option within a specific crypto asset. Once you choose withdraw, select the option to manage your assets, and once you choose a specific one, choose send via crypto network. So you need to transfer this over a crypto network by using the address. So if you don't know how to acquire the address for your cold wallet, I'm going to teach you how to acquire it shortly. But besides this, you will also need to input the withdrawal amount and where you are going to send the funds from, so usually your primary wallet. You will see the amount that you will receive and any included network fees, and then you can confirm. Now, like I said, if you still need to acquire the address, this can be done by connecting to your cold wallet. Usually you will have to open up its software after you connect. So in this example, I'm going to be using a Trezor wallet. All that you have to do is connect it to your PC using a USB cable and then open up the software. But this is also going to work for other wallets such as Ledger and so on. Once you connect it to your PC, open up the software, simply add a new wallet. So tap the plus sign at the left and you will be able to choose which asset you would like to add the account for. Once you select a specific asset, you will receive the address. It is going to be blocked initially. Just make sure that you choose the option to show the full address. And once you have the address at hand, you will be able to input it within Binance to transfer over your crypto assets. Of course, this is also going to work for any other cold wallet and any other asset that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from exchange to cold wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.